About to restore this floor. Get a little bit more protection from this rust. All this happened in a year and a half. I'm just doing the floor. I'm not gonna do the real well or the sides. Just gonna do the floor. Knock it out right quick. I got this bed liner material right here. You just roll it on. Let's see how it does. Got me a sander. Gonna sand it down with some 80 grit sandpaper. And see what it come out. I'm saying what it look like. I'm not very savvy with this stuff, but I'll do my best. This install is brought to you by Fizzy, Beezy. Steve bought this, y'all, not me.
It's water, bro. It's actually water.
It's water.
Sparkling water with alcohol.
Water.
Or seltzer water.
Water with alcohol. There you go, guys.
Less calories, bro.
Less calories.
Only 100 calories per serving.
You hear this guy?
200 calories per container.
Good job, man. I'm trying to watch my figure, you know.
You gotta play tomorrow, bro.
Exactly. Let's go.
Hey yo. Hey yo.
I got one coat down of this bed liner. Looks pretty good. I might do one more. Maybe tomorrow I'll do one more. We're done for the day, man. I'll see you maybe when this thing is all put together. right, guys, we all done with it here with this little project. Got the Titan hose reels mounted up, ready to go. Got the bed liner, nice and thick on here. Went about 2 layers on here. Feels really, really good. I got to get a reducer so I can put the high pressure hose on this reel here. Got the soft wash reel ready to go already. Everything's mounted up. I know it's a lot in here, but everything fits. The floor came out real good. I'm gonna change this hose here to a Flexzilla like I had before. But yeah, I'm very happy with the project. Steve helped me out with this too also, so I appreciate that help for sure. But everything's set up ready to go. I'll see y'all when I put this on the next video.